Hey, Jeff Janakovo here, Mattress Retailer Toolkit. I want to give you this video, a little bit of a lesson, if you will. It takes us back when we were kids and we had building blocks, maybe Legos, things that we constructed stuff with, and we always had this idea of building a grand design, right? And having everybody be so proud of us. And it's very similar to business, right? We start out and we got our favorite building block, and we got this building block and we begin in business with this building block. It's our favorite. We love on it, hold it, cherish it, hold it tight, protect it, make sure it's only ours in our market. And we start with that building block. And then, we begin to add things and it gets a little bigger, right? Add things that might not always be straight. And so we add them and we build up and we build out. And we do fun things. And it might be a little wobbly, but it still holds. So we continue to build, right? We continue to build. We might revisit. We might have to tweak things a touch, but we continue. And then we seem to hit a stride where we think, boy, things are going to turn, and this really big building block is the perfect one. And so, we stack it on top. This one down here, we love. We love this one. And things continue to go, and maybe economic conditions happen, employee issues happen, all kinds of external things can happen, but we keep building, and we keep going up. And then we hit a slow time, we hit a hard time, we hit a time where we don't think it should be, but it is. And business isn't as great, right? And things begin to get shaky and wobble. And eventually, things just fall down. And so we need to rebuild. But we get a little smarter this time. And so we rebuild this way, from the bottom up. We rebuild with a better plan. We rebuild understanding that ultimately, we need to get things right. We need to get things different. And we need to get things in order. And so as we get that order, it's messy, just like this video. I always like going right off one shoot video. That's kind of how business is, right? We want to go forward. We want to build, we want to go, we want to make sales. And so we do that, and that's all great. We continue to build. We're a lot more stable that second time around, that other time around, where we have more focus, we have more experience. And we know how to build things just a little better. And things are a lot stronger this time around, right? No amount of shaking going to make things fall down. Somebody comes and hits you from the blind side, you don't fall down. Have an employee leave you, you don't fall down. A change in partnership, new competitor in town, you're solid, you don't fall down. Well, there's a little secret to my madness here. And you see this block up top, the one that's our favorite in our industry. This is the one that gets all our focus, product. That's the one we always want to focus on. It's where our rent, our buildings, payments for our buildings, payments for our vendors' factories go, money for our World Market Center and our High Point markets go. All of our infrastructure as an industry is focused on product. It's our favorite thing. As I said, we love it, we hold it, it's the thing we want for ourselves. When we find great products, we want to keep it for ourselves. We love it. But there's so much more, right? We start out with product, and many go just with product their whole life in business. And if they continue to build, they build with these other blocks, but they always put product first, down below. I contend product is last. Build yourself a tremendous foundation of business success. Marketing Marketing at the bottom. Marketing is your foundation. Marketing is the thing that differentiates you. Marketing is the thing that makes you impervious to all those blindside issues, all those surprise issues, all those economic issues, all those competitive issues, all those distribution issues. When you communicate why you and only you can just plug in all the other things. And then it's you as your leadership, right? Again, we always start with this product, but we have to expand. If we constrain with product, we can't expand our business, we can't expand ourselves. That's where leadership comes in. You continue to build with great employees, a great community, great partners, not partners in our industry, not that they're bad, that's product. Partners that can refer us, partners that we can rely on in our community, other businesses, referral groups, team, your spouse, your children, maybe business partners, your team of advisors, the people you rely on, where you get input. Shameless plug for Mattress Retailer Toolkit. Then we get to product with sales process and choreography and operational excellence and customer experience. And finally, we land at our favorite building block where everyone seems to start, product. Everyone builds on this down below, and this pyramid topples over like I showed you. But product, we finally get to product when we have a great base of business excellence, business plan, and a way to go forward. This is what makes your business special. This is what makes you impervious to all other outside influences. And this is what unlocks untold success, untold fortune, tremendous profits, tremendous respect in your community for what you do. Keeping mattresses at the forefront, this tactile, experiential product that people want to experience in store. It is still the majority of things. There's where product should lie in your focus. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Jeff with Mattress Retailer Toolkit. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day and that this video helped you.